TestExpo, the 14th of September, and quality engineering, and why is it important in SAP?
Yeah, no, thank you for this question. It's very interesting question. Quality engineering for SAP is very important because if you look to the SAP or ERP in general, in the basis, it's a very complex architecture. Many data flows for many data streams are interacting with each other. How do you get grip on all these kind of activities? So we have different streams. They need to test their own functionalities, but then also we have to end to end. Many stakeholders are involved. Uh, we move to the cloud, so we also need to test some of the performance and scalabilities, things like that. So it's very complex to get grip on quality in SAP landscapes.
And for those who know that there is a landscape around the SAP at the moment, and we are upgrading to HANA and so forth. But why? Why is it so important right now? What's the current trends and the practices for testing SAP?
Well, yeah. Also, it's not a one defined answer. There are many trends in SAP, and I think also in test engineering in general. It's of course it's test automation because the landscapes are so big. We need to focus on test automation, but a lot of organizations they don't know where to start, how to start, which skills to involve. Virtualization is also one of these trends. You see some companies now slowly moving to virtualization, so you don't need to have your whole acceptance landscape in the air anymore. You only have some components. The shift left, of course. So we need to start with quality engineering all the way from the beginning. We don't test at the end. No, we need to create awareness. We need to make our IT processes and business processes making and supporting our end-to-end processes. So it's very important that we focus on that. And another angle is also CI/CD. So a lot of organizations now start with CI/CD. How do we automate that? How do we set that up? How do we organize it? Which stakeholders are involved? And again, referring to the first one, many stakeholders are involved. So stakeholder management, collaboration is the key for success. And we need to engage all these stakeholders together to make it successful.
And you will be at TestExpo, and people can ask you questions. What do you think is the most common question that you will get?
Well, I think one of the most common questions I will get is how to organize test data. Test data is always very challenging to organize to make it available in your whole landscape, and not only within SAP, but also with your legacy systems, your third-party systems. How are the data flows between those systems? I expect questions like that, and of course, we have some answers for that. So I love to talk with the people and deep dive into solutions there. Um, and other things also is know how to get grip and organize your test management or quality engineering. How do you organize that? So I expect questions in that kind of area.
Well, see you at TestExpo. Thank you.
Thank you.